Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can use event call calendar. That is how you can add event in calendar of your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the home screen and click on calendar. Here you can select a date, and on particular date you can set event, you can add event. For example, if you would like to add birthday event, you can easily do it. Now current date is showing here, and I go to next month and I go to 8th day. On 8th day, it is very important day for me as my daughter birthday. So here I would like to add event. So click on add event on July 8. Just click on this plus symbol and you can write the event name here. So here daughter birthday, daughter name is Jesslyn birthday, Jesslyn birthday. And in all, if you turn on all day, this event will have no time, and it is on the whole day, Friday 8th July to Friday 8th July. You can also set the timing. For example, if you set event timing, for example 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Your birthday function is from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then you can choose this timing. So I choose 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and in location you can write the name of the place of event. So here I write Kovilpatti. And you can add email ID, and 10 minutes before, this is alert. 10 minutes before, that is before 8 a.m. your phone will alert you. Here also you can write invitee, enter name or email, what are the persons to be invited, just write here. So here I write Arun. You can write many names here. Revadi, etc. You can also add notes. You can just write a note like what you are going to do. Okay. So in invitees only you can choose from contacts. So I choose Duraimani, Damodaran. Unable to add, showing unable to add. Okay, let it leave it, and we'll discuss it on another video. Just click on save, and this birthday event is added in the calendar of my phone. So in this way you can easily add event in your phone using the calendar available in your phone A13. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.